I'm just outside. I cannot wait to meet her. I love you too. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Getting you undercover, Mrs. Lover Lover to Queen Caramel, the silk pearly pearl whites. Over.
This is Queen Caramel. Over.
Oh, love this. Don't forget your training. Be polite, respectful, and...
Eat everything on my plate. Got it.
And thank you in Samoan is...
Papatai lava.
Damn, I'm too good. Okay, Sissy, off with check.
Oh, I've already sent it to you.
Yes! Come through, Mrs. Lamalu. Off with check complete. Food check?
I've already told you, Leni. Eat everything on my plate.
OMG! Identity breach alert.
What?
No using real names, Caramel, okay?
Okay.
Did you bring a plate?
No, why is that?
Abort! Abort mission!
Oh.
Listen to me very carefully.
Uh-huh. Oh, Talafalava.
Hello, Falava. Who are you?
My name is Georgia. Your grandson invited me for tōnai.
Is this your Palagi?
Yes.
Initiating sequence 1. Activate the offering.
I bought snacks.
Are you rich?
Am I rich?
I want to see your bank book.
My
Bank book?
bank book. Yes?
Yeah, all right, come in.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Entering Fale. Removing footwear in 3, 2.
Put my shoes here.
And I close the door.
Lovely.
O mana kuka te tu sa pasui mo le oka. Ia mo le whare talo. Ia mo le whai e pusi. O le telo mea ai. Yeah, you like Samoan food?
Yes, you do love oka.
Love Samoan food. Yes, I really do.
Initiating sequence 2. Offer to serve.
You just sit here and relax and I'll make us some lunch. Yeah, papatai lava.
Yeah.
Yeah, copy that.
Relax, boo. I am the chop suey queen. I got you.
Copy that. And I'll make the...
Sapsui.
Yes, that's what I'll make.
Make it nice.
Ew, I'll try. Help me. What do
Thank you very much.
I do now?
Get out the garlic, vermicelli,
Vermicelli.
onions, heat it up. Nice and easy. Just like a good island girl. Perfect.
Sapasui is nice.
Oh,
Much
yay.
better than my husband's sapasui.
Oh, good. That's great.
Thank you.
Is your grandson Mose coming?
My grandson is Shakir, not Mosi.
What?
Live next door.
Oh my gosh.
Tulo. Say tulo. It means excuse me. And every time you walk past her, you make sure you say tulo.
Tulu.
No, see you later. Hit the road.
Okay. Oh God.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh.
Just breathe.
I'm so stupid.
It's all right, girl. You got this.
I'm so late.
Nothing to sweat.
Malua, is this Mose's grandma's house?
And you are?
Lava. My name's Georgia. I'm Mose's girlfriend. You must be...
Sister.
Sister.
Aren't you my cake?
Oh! My cake!
Get out! Run!
You know what? You seem busy. I'll just come back another day. Bye. See you later.
That's it! That is the third freaking goal this week.